In this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Google form. Now, once you have opened your Google Forms, you will find our recent designs. So let's say we would like to duplicate this design. Now click on it and open the form. After that we can go to the top interface and there we have 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots for more options and after that you can click on make a copy. Now do this and now we can rename this new form. So let's say new form. Then make a copy and after that it will be opened as a new design. Now if I back out of the design back to the overview, then you will find our new duplicated form over here. And this is how you duplicate a Google form very easily. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next Google form tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.